Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I'll show you how to join the official Roblox Discord server using your phone. Let's get started. First, open a web browser on your phone, such as Chrome or Safari. In the search bar, search for the official Roblox Discord server. When looking through the results, make sure you're using a trusted source. It's best to use Roblox's official website or Discord's official invite page, rather than clicking random links. Once you find the official invite, tap on it. You should see a Discord invitation page for the Roblox server. Tap Accept Invite or Join Server. If you're not already signed into Discord, you'll be asked to log into your Discord account. After signing in, return to the invitation and tap Join Server again if necessary. Once you've successfully joined, open the Discord app. You should now see the Roblox server in your list of servers on the left side of the screen. Tap the server to open it. When you join a server for the first time, you may see a welcome or rules channel. Take a moment to read the server rules and follow any verification steps that are required. Some Discord servers may ask new members to complete a verification process before they can access all channels. Once you've completed the required steps, you can explore the available channels, read announcements, and participate in the community according to the server rules. Remember to be careful with links and never enter your Discord password or personal information into an unfamiliar website. And that's how you can join the official Roblox Discord server. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Guide Pro, and turn on notifications for more Roblox and Discord tutorials.